What is going on, guys? It's boy Mike Lowy Trading Academy. So today was pretty freaking easy day. I definitely this SPY play is great. I think we're about to go to that gap fill, but we already hit 130%, so we took profits. Here on the watch list, you can see that I have that 678 reject down to 675, right? Um, 5 or above 680, 682. So 678 reject is essentially what we got. And I showed it in the live this morning. I said we could break above here, hold, and then break back below. We could take it straight down to 675.5, right? And that's exactly what we did. I actually even told them in the chat, I said all my small account people, let's go. This is your time to shine. All right, let's go. So I knew that we were going to hit that trade. So if you listen and you capitalized, good shit. As far as the YouTube goes, that break back under this, see if we get this rejection, take that down, see what we do here. And then look, that's exactly what happened. We broke up, broke back below, went from 678, 679, right? Straight down to 675.5. Can we go to 674? We can. Are we gonna? I don't know. Am I in it? No. Do I care? Not really. So we just wait for tomorrow. That was definitely the trade of the day. Tesla, I went 1 for 1 on, or 1 for 2 on. I should have waited a little bit, right? So I was on the 2 minute chart. Typically, I go on the 2 minute sometimes in the morning. And so I called out these Tesla calls a little too early. I got this right here, right? I saw this candle close. So I entered on this pullback and then it hit my stop loss, right? So this is when I got stopped out. And then we reclaimed and I was like, okay, that's nice, right? I went out to the 5 minute. We got this candle close, so I grabbed this retest and then we took it straight to 444. So we came back on that Tesla trade. So that was nice. We had the 100% on SPY, a little 4% on NVIDIA puts, 12% on Tesla calls, 16% was that little loss that we took. Again, I went pretty light. This person made 150% on that trade. This person $160 off of 260. And then you also have AMD that we did on the watch list over here. We got AMD above 243.60 to 248.5. So AMD above 243.60 right here to 248.5. It actually went to 248.84. But that's why if you tune into the pre-market lives, you could actually just take my actual levels to the penny if you want to, because I obviously round up for the better entries for you guys. And that was gorgeous. So now we're below we're not below 240 yet. But that's a good break to the downside, right? Below 243.60, you could take that to 240 now. And let's see what we do at 240. Are we going to go for the full gap or are we just going to stay there? So that's definitely something to keep an eye on for sure. Pretty nice, actually. See what happens. NVIDIA above 195 to 197.5 or below 190.5 to 187.6. NVIDIA, oh my gosh. Top ticked. I mean, that was gorgeous. 195 to 197.5. Literally, break, retest, go. So what? That's 3 for 3. That's 3 for 3. Come on, get with me. That's 3 for 3 on the watch list. What's y'all's excuse? This is what I walked you through this morning. I walked you through every one of these scenarios. Show up. Let's go.